Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to transfer money between accounts. So for example, there is you have to pay someone in Wise and you both have Wise accounts and you don't know how you actually can pay him. Basically in this tutorial, I will show you how you can do that and how to do whatever you like how to pay bills and etc. So first of all, what I need you to do is, for those who doesn't have Wise, you go to Wise on your phone or PC, and then from this website, as you can see guys, you can here register or you can log in. For those who doesn't have an account, you can register using email directly, and then next fill in some informations and then put in your phone number. After that, you will receive a code, you put it there, you put your password, and voila, that's it. Or else you can just log in basic using Google Chrome or Gmail account or Facebook or Apple account. Now after you created your account, you click on login and then you log in. Right after that, you will open this page for you. So how you can actually send money between accounts, basically you can do that through a lot of stuff. So let's, for example, you want to choose to send people to someone, so you can find them on recipients if you haven't already in here. So if you add them already, if not, you just go to home page, you click on send money, and here you choose how much money do you want to send. You can choose here the fees. So as if you want fast transfer, it means that will be in like 100 hours. If you want slower or easy faster, they will be like in much more hours and etc. So basically it depends on the fees and how much money do you want to give. So for example, if I choose this easy transfer, it will be delivered by Monday 16th January. If I choose fast, it will be the same but slower in this one as well, which is the same. Okay, so now after that I click on continue after I choose the currencies and click on continue. Here I choose whether it is a personal or business transfer, so I click on personal. I fill this information of my informations and then review, and then I will pay that person after I put his email on Wise. So yeah guys, that was it, and that's how you can actually transfer money between accounts in Wise. So thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next video.